The Ka-52 is a modern attack helicopter of Russian origin. The Ka-52 is a further development of the single-seat Ka-50 and serves as a heavily armed combat reconnaissance helicopter. The NATO reporting name for the Ka-52 is Hokum-B. Plans for the twin-seat Ka-52 started in the early 1980s due to the collapse of the Soviet Union. The first airframe was produced in the mid-1990s, and the first Ka-52 entered service in 2011. Design. The Ka-52 uses two contra-rotating main rotor blades and no tail rotor. This setup is used on various helicopters designed by Ka-52. Compared to the older single-seat Ka-50, the fuselage is wider and the two pilots sit side by side, a rather unique setup, since most attack helicopters use a tandem layout. Night operations. Night operations are a main focus area of the Ka-52. The nose houses a terrain-following radar. The FLIR camera is mounted under the nose, and the pilots have night vision helmets with built-in laser range finders. In the combat reconnaissance role, the Ka-52 uses its optical suite for target acquisition and directing strikes from standoff range. Firepower. A single 30mm 2A42 dual-feed autocannon is mounted on the right side of the fuselage. A total of 460 rounds of 30 by 165mm rounds are carried. 4 hardpoints can be found on the stub wings. The outboard hardpoints can each be fitted with 6 modern Vickers or Ataka anti-tank guided missiles. All hardpoints may carry a rocket pod with 20 S-8 or 5 S-13 aerial rocket, a fuel tank, or a UPK-23 gun pod. Additionally, 2 Igla-V heat-seeking air-to-air missiles can be fitted onto each wingtip. Self-defense. Self-defense systems include large exhaust diffusers and wingtip-mounted flare dispensers. The K-37 ejection seats are a unique feature for a combat helicopter. The twin-engine setup, speed, and maneuverability further increase survivability. Mobility. The two VK2500 turboshafts produce 2,500 horsepower each. This results in a maximum airspeed of about 350 km per hour, with a cruise speed of 260 km per hour. Combat range is about 450 km. Users. The Ka-52 is in use with the Russian Air Force. The Ka-52K is a naval variant on order with Russian Naval Aviation for use on amphibious assault ships. Currently, Egypt is the sole export user. Over 100 Ka-52 have been acquired to date, while production continues. Thanks for watching.